Hello, my name is Abbas and I have created Creator Pay. So it is a decentralized Gumroad alternative. So it supports creators directly by paid MetaMask smart accounts using gasless exposure to payments. So currently we are having three flows. One is for like someone has uploaded any PDF and anyone has to download it, so they can pay the amount and download it accordingly. Another, we are having subscription, so it will be a monthly subscription basis. Recurring payments will be there. And another is AI agents, so anyone can deploy their agents and get paid when someone uses it. Is based on the token usage. So let us have a demo of purchasing one time items. So first of all, let me connect my MetaMask. Yeah, so let me connect my MetaMask account. Let me click on that. It will open a pop-up and let me connect it. Yeah, so my wallet is connected. Let us purchase this Next.js SaaS boilerplate. So yeah, it is currently on base Sepolia testnet. So first we need to switch it to base Sepolia testnet. Then it is asking me to for the permissions. Currently I am not having any USDC as my faucet has been declined. So let me just demo it to you that I do not have test USDC, but it is working. You can test it out. Yeah, so you can see that the frequency is daily, but it will end after 1 hour. Yeah, it will showing payment field as I do not have any testnet USDC, but you can add that and check it. Then another flow we are having is of subscriptions. We can subscribe and auto renew that. Also we are having the agents part, that is very much interesting part. So let us say it will charge zero point 0.1 USD per query. So we can start a chat session. First we need to deposit at least 0 0.1 USDC. Then based on that it is verifying the payment. Let us say sign in to authenticate, and then yeah. Okay, so we can ask the questions here in the chat box and it will deduct according to the tokens consumed. So yeah, it is using Venice for this Venice AI APIs. Yeah, that's from my side. Thank you.